Continuing coverage tonight as we wait for a panel of appeals court judges to determine the immediate fate of the president's executive order on travel and immigration from 7 Muslim-majority countries. Late this afternoon, an attorney for the Department of Justice asked for the order to be reinstated, arguing against the state of Washington. KXLY4's Grace Ditzler working for you. She listened to that hearing today. And Grace, what happens next?
Nadine, 3 judges from the 9th Circuit Court of Appeals put both lawyers through the ringer, asking them tough questions about where the case should go from here.
States of Washington and Minnesota asked the judges to keep the temporary restraining order in place. Granted last week, it lifted the president's executive order and allowed refugees to once again come into the U.S. The Department of Justice wants the judges to issue a stay, meaning the president's executive order would go back into action. The DOJ argued states don't have the legal authority to bring this case against the president.
The state of Washington can't bring a parens patriae suit on behalf of its citizens in this context.
The state argued the executive order has harmed Washington residents.
Students and faculty at our state universities who were stranded overseas, we had families that were separated.
The judges questioned both sides on whether or not President Trump's executive order was intended to discriminate against Muslims.
I'm not entirely persuaded by the argument, if only because the 7 countries encompass only I think a relatively small percentage of Muslims.
The state of Washington argued that there is already a lot of evidence.
It's remarkable to have this much evidence of intent without any discovery, I think is probably the best way to characterize it.
The Justice Department lawyer argued the courts shouldn't question the president's authority based on newspaper articles.
It is extraordinary for a court to enjoin the president's national security determination based on some newspaper articles, and that's what has happened here. That is not a very troubling second guessing of the national security decision made by the president.
President Trump weighed in earlier today.
I actually can't believe that we're having to fight to protect the security in a court system, to protect the security of our nation. I can't even believe it. And a lot of people agree with us, believe me.
So what's next? The judges said they would work to enter the decision as quickly as possible. Reporting in studio, Grace Ditzler, KXLY4 News.
Thank you.